Hi, I'm Dave Purdy, founding partner of Wealth Management Midwest, and welcome to January in 2026. Attached to this short video is our January market update, and I just want to kind of highlight a couple things from this last year. Gosh, really pretty much by all accounts, I mean, the market was kind of going like this. We did have some downtimes, but the market hit 36 new all-time highs, the S&P 500. According to Bloomberg. And so, 36 all-time highs. So the market's been very strong. And the reason why the market's been strong is, this is a continuing pattern from all these videos, but we've got fairly low unemployment. It's maybe come up just a hair since our last video, but interest rates have been trending down, which is positive. Company earnings have been trending up, all-time records. 2025 was an all-time record. They're forecasting 26 as an all-time record. And earnings, that's a big thing. And then you look at the cash positions. Now, it's not all divided equally, but there's more cash in banks and savings and loans now than ever before in history. So we really have a good stance. And I think the big thing to just keep in mind is right now we've got a tremendous amount of political unrest. And and every single time, without fail, when people try to manage their money with political unrest, it never works because it's a different deal. The markets really are concerned about earnings. And day to day, sure, the headlines go up and down, but earnings are what drive the market. So, we just want to stay with our goals and objectives and make sure we've got the correct asset allocation. If you have any questions, we'd love to get together with you. And say a couple interesting statistics. I always find interesting statistics, but in this market, gold is hitting new highs, silver's hitting new highs, diamonds are hitting new lows. I mean, diamonds haven't been this low in decades. They just keep falling and falling and falling, which is interesting. Another interesting statistic that I came across was if you look at baby boomers, and then you look at baby boomers, Gen X, millennials, and then Gen Z, and the baby boomers and Gen Z and millennials, they drink maybe $25 billion worth of alcohol annually. And now coming to the Gen Z, and by the way, the Gen Z and older, the old side of the Gen Zs is 28, 29 years old. Their drinking alcohol is down about 3 billion a year. So going from baby boomer 25 all the way down to 3. So the younger group here, the Gen Z, they just aren't drinking as much. And of course, that's why you see all these bars now, they've got these mocktails, and it's a big thing. But I thought, isn't that an interesting pattern we're seeing? But if you have any questions, please give us a call. Give me a call. I'd love to visit with you about anything. And look forward to being in touch.